Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to show you one very important concept, and that is opening by reconstruction. So what is that? As you know that we use erosion for many reasons. Mostly we use to shrink size of any object, and one of the major application area of erosion is to remove the salt noise. Okay, like let me show you one image. This particular image may be familiar to many of you. I hope you have seen this in childhood cartoon times. Okay, so now you can see there are lots of salt noise present. So what we generally do to process this kind of image, we apply erosion on that which is having some structuring element. We choose such that it will this particular small salt noise will not fit on that structuring element, but this bigger object will fit, right? And that satisfies our requirement. Okay, so let me just write I am erode, and here I am taking the structuring element of disk shape of 5, okay, which will obviously larger than our pixels, and let me just show you these two image. Okay, so this is my image after applying erosion, and this is my original image. As you can see, there is huge change. Although we are just simply able to remove the noise part, but if you can observe, this particular tooth part is reduced. Okay, this particular cute little small structure, okay, which is appearing like thumb, this is also removed due to application of erosion, and the eyes part also has been distorted by a huge amount. So what we do, we apply dilation on that. Our intention is already fulfilled, that okay, we have removed the noise, but we apply erosion followed by dilation, that is I am open, right? So we apply opening, and now let me show you the opened image. So this is my opened image which we are getting after applying on this particular image disk shape structuring element. But still you can find, although tooth part became better than previous one, but still we can understand the eyes part is not coming proper shape. Here there is a beautiful joint which is making like one complete eye. Here we are not getting that. Then here the thumb part also same problem we are getting. So the idea what I want to say, that although we are applying erosion and after that dilation, but it will not give us the original object if we want. Okay, whereas just think the concept of morphological reconstruction. If you use this image as marker and this one as mask, your intention is already fulfilled, that you are able to use the able to remove the noise. Now what you can do, if you use this as marker and this as mask, then you can reconstruct the whole original cartoon. Okay, that's what the concept of opening by reconstruction, that is first apply opening, and then to get back the original object, okay, you can apply reconstruction. So here I have applied that I am reconstruct. I have taken K, that is output of the opening, as my marker, and X as our mask or constant of our morphological reconstruction, that is original image. Now let me show you that. Okay, Control A, evaluate selection. So I'll be getting 3 output, and you just try to understand the difference between these 3. Let me just make this smaller so that it will fit in our this window. Okay, so see, this one is our original image where we want to remove the salt noise. This is our image after applying morphological operation, that is opening. Eyes are not coming properly, thumbs are not coming properly, and all those. But see this particular one after reconstruction, how beautifully eyes are coming. See, same like earlier, but the noise is removed. Our intention is fulfilled. Along with that, the structure also is almost remaining intact, including the thumb part also, right? So this is the beauty of opening by reconstruction, that is after applying opening, okay, whatever required object we have achieved, if we want to get back the same object as original shape present in our input image, we can apply reconstruction. That's all. So opening image will be our marker and the original image will be our mask, right? So I hope you have understood this concept. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.